Have you ever struggled to complete assignments that required you to write an essay about the American Civil War? Well, this AI bot might just be the solution for you. Ask the new artificial intelligence tool, ChatGPT, to write an essay about the cause of the American Civil War, and you can watch it churn out a persuasive term paper in a matter of seconds. Aside from writing impressive term papers about different topics, what else is this AI bot capable of? And why are schools wary of this new software? Let's find out. Make sure to watch until the end of the video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. The global chatbot market is anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 23.5% to $10.5 billion by 2026, according to Markets and Markets study. But with the most recent ChatGPT artificial intelligence, or AI, development acquiring 1 million users in a week, it appears the market is set to grow even more quickly. Now comes the obvious question. What is ChatGPT? With the help of ChatGPT, an AI-powered natural language processing tool, you may converse with a chatbot in a way that is similar to that of a human being, while also doing a lot more. The language model may help you with things like writing emails, essays, and code, as well as possible answers to your inquiries. Because ChatGPT is still in the research and feedback collection phase, usage is now available to the public without charge. It's a groundbreaking technology since it's been taught to understand what people mean when they ask questions. OpenAI created the large language model chatbot. It is remarkably capable of engaging in conversational conversations and responding in a way that occasionally seems surprisingly human. The task of foretelling the following word in a string of words is carried out by large language models. ChatGPT learns how to obey instructions and provide responses that are acceptable to humans using reinforcement learning with human feedback, or RLHF, an additional training layer. The for-profit OpenAI LP is a subsidiary of OpenAI Incorporated, a non-profit organization. The well-known DALL-E deep learning model from OpenAI, which creates images from text prompts, is well known. Sam Altman, who was formerly the president of Y Combinator, is the CEO. Microsoft has invested $1 billion as a partner and investor. They worked together to create the Azure AI platform. The company launched ChatGPT on November 30th, 2022. Many users are in awe of its capacity to deliver responses of human quality, which gives rise to the idea that it might soon have the ability to revolutionize how people interact with computers and alter how information is retrieved. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's examine how it works. ChatGPT is a big language model that is built on GPT-3 and GPT 3.5. In order to answer user queries in a surprise human-like manner, this AI application uses machine learning techniques on a large corpus of text. Reinforcement learning, which depends on human feedback, is how OpenAI claims ChatGPT improves its capabilities. To interact with the model while playing the parts of both a user and a chatbot, the company employs human-AI trainers. To reinforce human-like conversational methods, trainers rate the quality of ChatGPT's responses by comparing them to human ones. ChatGPT allows users to ask any question they want and receive clear, uncomplicated answers in return. You might use the tool as an encyclopedia, or to ask inquiries, for instance. For instance, create poetry, or define Newton's laws of motion. You can also ask the AI tool to create a computer program that illustrates all the possible ways to arrange the letters in a word. ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM. Massive volumes of data are used to train large language models to precisely anticipate what word will appear next in a phrase. It was shown that the language models could perform more tasks when there was more data available. Similar to autocomplete, but on a mind-boggling scale, LLMs predict the next word in a string of words in a sentence, as well as the following sentences. They are able to produce paragraphs and full pages of text thanks to this skill. But LLMs have a drawback in that they frequently fail to comprehend precisely what a person wants. And with the aforementioned reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF training, ChatGPT advances the state of the art in this area. ChatGPT was specifically taught to comprehend the human's intent behind a query and offer useful, honest, and harmless answers. This distinguishes ChatGPT from a straightforward chatbot. As a result of that instruction, ChatGPT may challenge particular questions and ignore any unclear portions of the inquiry. Another study pertaining to ChatGPT demonstrates how they programmed the AI to anticipate human preferences. The researchers discovered that the metrics used to evaluate the outputs of natural language processing AI produced machines that performed well on the metrics but didn't match what people would have anticipated. Now, what are the limitations of ChatGPT? Are there questions that it can't or won't answer? ChatGPT is designed to avoid giving out negative or damaging responses. As a result, it won't respond to certain queries. The fact that the output quality is largely dependent on the input quality is a significant ChatGPT restriction. In other words, instructions, prompts, from experts lead to superior responses. Another drawback is that because it is programmed to give responses that feel natural to people, the answers may lead people to believe that the output is accurate. Many users observed that ChatGPT sometimes gives false information, including those that are radically false. Users can currently test out the chatbot and give feedback on the responses so that the AI can improve at responding to inquiries and learn from its errors. In order to entice the public to score the comments, there is now a competition with a cash reward of $500 in ChatGPT credits. Can these new forms of software possibly replace Google? It might be useful to ask a computer question and get prompt answers, and ChatGPT does just that. Google often offers users both connections to pages that it thinks are relevant and its own suggested responses to user queries. Due to ChatGPT's employment of the most recent, highly skilled AI algorithms, its responses frequently outperform Google's suggestions. However, users should verify the information from reliable sources before relying on ChatGPT responses. Because ChatGPT uses only raw text devoid of any links or citations, unlike Google, it is difficult to confirm the correctness of its responses. In addition, Google is also developing sizable language models of its own and heavily utilizing AI in its search algorithms as ChatGPT advances. Therefore, it seems a little unrealistic to expect that ChatGPT would replace Google's search engine, but it is undoubtedly paving the way in that direction. So what do schools feel about this new AI bot? Numerous school districts are still trying to determine how to establish rules for when and how it can be utilized. According to the New York City Education Department, access is being restricted on school networks and devices because of concerns about how this can affect students' learning, as well as concerns surrounding the safety and accuracy of material. The largest U.S. school district's decision to ban access to the ChatGPT website on school computers and networks may have repercussions on other campuses, sending teachers rushing to come up with effective cheating prevention strategies. According to ChatGPT's developers, they are also investigating ways to spot abuse. The free tool has only been available for a few months, but it is already posing difficult concerns regarding the use of AI in education, the tech sector, and a variety of other fields. Though it is crucial to acknowledge that AI will have an impact on many elements of our life, we must equally keep in mind that it has the ability to significantly enhance those same aspects. This also applies to people who work in the creative industry. Technology has frequently helped, not hurt, creativity and creative abilities. In many fields, the AI revolution has the potential to stimulate innovative development. New opportunities and methods of collaborating with AI are likely to arise, even though some jobs and processes may change or die as a result. What do you think of this new AI bot developed by OpenAI? Will this serve as a tool to help humans, or will it be something that affects us negatively? Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.